Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Myself Aishwarya, and today I'll be giving you overview of the project Sun Mayfair by Sun Group located in Bapa, Ahmedabad. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual sales office, and right behind sales office there's an actual site. Now let me show you the neighborhood. So the road of the left hand side leads you to VIP Road, and right hand side leads you to Bopal Guma Road. And now, before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, then your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads you to endless callings. But here in Housey, you are directly connected with the developer, because here listings are done by developer and not broker. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today directly with Housey. In this overview, we'll be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So let's start. First one is project overview. This project is being developed on 8,000 square yard of land parcel featuring 4 towers with 2 basements plus ground floor plus 14th floor, having 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. Now coming to the location part. This project is located opposite Sanskar Dham School, Bapa, Ahmedabad, with the distance of Club 07 10 minutes, Apollo International School 8 minutes and Sheila Circle 10 minutes away. Here you get access to 25 plus luxurious amenities like gym, swimming pool, indoor games, jogging track, event lawn, clubhouse and many more. If you are planning to buy a home in Ahmedabad, then I have a strong recommendation for you. Make sure to watch Housey's Rights of Home Buyers series. Many home buyers are not even aware of their legal rights. For an example, if you pay token amount to builder and later you decide to cancel the booking, then how much money can builder legally deduct? If after possession you face issues such as wall leakages, construction defects, then what is the builder's liability? Most importantly, what legal rights do you have as a home buyer? We have explained all these important topics in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I strongly recommend you to watch this series at least once. You can find the link to the series in the I button above and also in the description below. With the carpet area of 3 BHK, 1212 to 1217 square feet and 4 BHK, 1451 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. Our booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details. We'll share pricing and payment schemes. We'll show the actual location of the project. And then clients likes it, then they can proceed to the booking amount, and that is 10% of total value. So everyone, this was the complete overview of the project Sun Mayfair by Sun Group, Bapa, Ahmedabad. If you are looking for more details of this project, then you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.